Jen.
And Mummy.
And today we're going to be doing an opening video on a package that we got from Bling. And look how many stamps she put on here. So, let's open it, Mummy. And it's a website that gets rubber bands off it. Sorry for this light, but we were super duper excited.
Mommy,
A package inside of it. Oh, here's our invoice.
What's that game? What Dad played with? What's that game?
Alright, so there's a pack. I think she's packed it like 2 lots.
Mommy, where's that game?
So,
What Dad played with?
Hang on, sorry. So basically she's put them in like 2 little different bags. Right, so we have red,
well, these look so awesome.
purple,
Purple.
green.
2 bags of green.
Yeah, that's dark
Can it be
green.
a little
Oh,
bit
sorry, light green, dark green.
Fuchsia. They call that
Fuchsia.
fuchsia.
There you are.
Orange.
That looks awesome.
Pink. Lime. She called that lime yellow.
Lime yellow. We'll tell you the
Blue.
what's blue. We'll tell you the website down below.
Oh, metallic gold. Metallic silver.
Yes.
I got all these C clips.
All of these.
And we've got jellies, glow in the dark, solid,
Mom,
jelly,
watch this, Mom.
metallic,
Watch this. Mom, watch this. Please watch this, Mom.
and glitters.
Mom, watch this.
And glitters. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys later.
Thank you.
Bye. And remember to like, comment,
comment,
and hit that subscribe button.
Sorry, I'm not very good. Alright, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.